so much. Good guys. One, two, good evening. Sige, say hi.
Dito na lang sa ngayon, sa tunda na.
Kuya Gab, order mo ng cellphone mo. Kuya. Gabriel. Salamat. Bien. Philippines. From Philippines, sir. Filipinas. Filipino. Hey, Filipinas. Hi. Salamat. Thank you, Gab. Magkaon ka na. Wala ka sinidas. Magkaon ka na. Order mo muna saglit, ha? Yay, luba. Thank you sa 8 million. Gora? From Philippines po. From Philippines. Veren Drasi. Ano? Where are you from? Sir, where are you? Thank you. So formal. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you po. Wait. Aray. Salamat Hinoyan in the house. So 4 million. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Ay, sa Porok Dos. Madiscarding kusinera. Hi po. Kusinera. Saan? Sana all kusinera. Thank you. Magandang gabi po. Salamat sa pagbisita. Madiscarding kusinera. Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Thank you po. Salamat sa pagbisita. New dikit. Salamat. Thank you, ma'am. Balikan po kita mamaya. Wait lang. Cosinera. Hinahanap po kita. Ay. Bibi pa pala yung bahay mo. Ito ka, ma'am. Salamat. New start pa lang. Sige. Sige po. Kailan ka nagsimula? 2024. Tiyaga lang. Wait lang. Panoorin ko yung simula. Say hi. Hello. No lang po ako. Sige lang po, ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am. Nanood ako. Nag-iwan ako ng bakas. Salamat, ma'am. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you po. Binayak Kumar. Si Binayak. Binayak Kumar. Hi po. Hi. Hi, Binayak. Saglit lang. Saglit. I can't understand. Where are you from, sir? Binayak. Where are you from? Where are you? I'm from Pilipinas. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bolo. Ano bolo? What bolo? Bolo? Bolo. Bolo. I can't understand what you mean. Adon? Binayap. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ay, kaan ko. Ay, sir. Why? Hindi ko maintindihan. Can you speak English? Huh? English only. Can you speak English only? English po. Thank you. No, I can't. I don't understand what you mean. No translation on no translation on comment section. Can you please English only? Walang no translation. Kagay. Kumain na yun? Already kain namin. Ano ulam nyo? Okay, gado? Ah. Can you speak English? Salamat. Thank you. Si Daddy. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you. Salamat. Ha? Where do you live? Philippines. Philippines, sir. Where do you live? Napagalo. Thank you, sir. Hi, Da. Dahil sa hirap ng speak English. Salamat. Speak English only. Or if you can speak Tagalog, please. Much better. Much better speak Tagalog.
Nabati ko ka mo kanina.
Ito, ano?
Nice. Magana Maganaluluy daw ako.
Tulak doon. Number 1. Susunod na lang dito.
I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna lose you.
Siya, malakas na.
Like.
Hello guys, welcome to my Magkahawan ang mga kumain dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Nagsimula.
Ano sabi ni Mama? Sabi ni Mama.
Kahit kailan
Ano sabi ni Mama?
Huwag kang umulan. Les. Huwag kang umulan. Pauda mo man ako payong. May payong ka mo dyan? Payong. Ay, didi. Wag.
Dad!
Hello, hey there. Hey, I see you hanging in a different spot. In a different spot. Thank you, Troy Mattis. How are you, Troy? Thank you, Troy. Thank you, Troy Mattis. Thank you so much. Hi, Gab. I-charge me na kayo bagtagan. Hi again, sis. Hi, Ma'am Kayen. Kumusta? Madami na sigurong naipon na ano, no? Pa-connect sa mga fans mo dyan. Sige po, kanino po? Ano, Trimatis or Trimatis pa-connect po. Can you connect as Ma'am Kayen Paper? She's from, she living also, ano, from US. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Kayen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for visiting my life. Thank you po. Salamat po sa pagbisita, Ma'am Kayen.
Mama! Isigaw mo sa hangin. Nanood hapon. Kami sa
Sana. Thank you so much, Ma'am Kayen. Naguran na. Hi, Troy Mattis. Please connect my channel. From Ma'am Kayen Mattis. Malapit ka na, ma'am. Ilan na, ma'am, ang watch hour mo? I'm good. I'm just waking up about to watch the news. Ilan na, ma'am Kayen, ang watch hour mo, ma'am Kayen? Malapit na ba?
Sabaw. Ano ga? Paano mo tayo sa loob? Saan tayo? Sabaw. Sabaw.
Ayun na, paguran. Ayun na, paguran. Ayun pa, ayun, pagpauran. Thank you, ma'am Kayen. Hi. Hi, Vinayak Kumar. Thank you, ma'am Ken. Mulan na. Mulan na. Yay! 251 pawa. 251 pa lang? Ano watch hour mo? 251 pa. Or 251 pa lang. Ano ba? 251 na or 251 pa lang? Maulan. Maulan. Yan. Maulan dito sa amin. Thank you. 251 pa watch out. 200, ala, malayo pa, matagal. Ako, nasa ano na thousands na. Thousands. Past thousands na yung watch hour ko. Kunti na lang, tiyaga-tiyaga pa. Sana nga. Sana nga. Sayang uminto ako. Kunti na lang. Push pa, kailangan pang i-push. Ay, Ma'am Kian, si ano po, si Ate Babes. Si Ate Babes, ano, dikitan niyo po yun. Lagi po siya na ano, nadaan sa ano. BCS Award sis, yun walang time sa live stream. Okay. Oo nga eh, walang time. BCS Award, Sino dikitan ko? Si Ate Babes ko, Ate Babes. Wait. Search ko. Ano po, supportive po siya. Naka-live yata siya ngayon. Hindi ko lang sure. Mahirap kasi ang watch hour eh. Mahirap trabaho. Ate Babe. At nang umulan. Sorry guys. At nang umulan. Sorry. Wait lang. Ito pa. Party friends din siya. Thank you. Loading. Raining here. Kanina nakalive ako sa YouTube.
Yung puti, kami ba? Gusto mo puti, sabi. Hindi kilala ko na siya. Australian.
Produce ko na siya.
Kasi ano, si Margaret, ano muna? Di, bilis siya yung sinkulay. Bilis siya? Oo. Wala mangyayari. Ganun ba? Maano siya sa ayan. Madin siya sa timbang. Kasi ano, dati sabi ko, bakit pero sa tayo kayo. Bagalaw mo ba yun? Naklase ko siya, sabi. Basada. Ay, sabi ko, ay, nag-ano ka, na, siya, MPM ko nga na. Kaya nabala ko sa anong baon. Ay, salamat. Sabi ko para, malay mo, one time, madayo kita dito. Pag ano, para nanginig ko talaga na yung magsumba. Sabi ko, magsumba sa amo, Domingo. Kung may intra ka. Huwag ko na yun nila, no? Siguro na araw ay nag-araw. Sa mo. Oh, binis niya siya?
Binis siya sa na? Yan lang. Noon lang.
Masin ka pa, masin na rin ka.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Makulan.
Pero kung malapit siya, ano kasi papaimod ba sa cellphone ko kami?
If ever you're in my arms again, this time busy pa ang person.
Nagtitiktok sa buwan. Oo, may ayun siya talaga. Ayun siya siya. Bagulan,
Aren?
siya?
Oo, niyan lang na March.
Ay, talaga?
Nag-abroad na kami si Udet.
I know.
Pa-abroad lang niya. Ano? It rained and it stopped. And it ran and then it stopped. Wow. It's amazing. Amazing. The amazing rain. The amazing rain. Pop, 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 pop. Ever you're in my this time I feel much better. This time I'll never end. Ever you're in my arms again. This time I'll feel much better. Much better. It rained and then it stopped. It stopped, wow. Cagayan! San ano? San Prof. Dos. Cagayan sa view. The color gram. The gram. Do you know? Do you know Cayenne pepper? Yes. She's a Filipina. Ma'am Kayen. I know her. She also living in the Philippines. Ay, the US. She's living also in US. Kayen paper. You can connect her. She make live now. Wait lang. She make live now. Try. Oh yeah. She make live now. Hala, maganda eh. Ayan, she make live now. Kayen paper. She wants me to join her live. Yeah. She wants, it's up to you if you can, if you, ang hirap mag-English. It's really difficult to speak English. My gosh. Nose bleed. It's up to you to join her live. It's okay. She's also my friend. Thank you, Troy. Thank you, Troy Matis. It's up to you. Ang hirap mag-English. Thank you. Thank you, Troy.
Ako muna. Dali na.
La, la, la. It's up to you. Naguran! Ay, sus!
Maghugasan si King.
Sakto yung choice. You can't. I'm good. I will stroll later, not now. I'm good here. Thank you. Thank you, Troy. Thank you so much. You're only my visitor here, my guest. Thank you. Where other? Where the other one? If ever you're on my arms again, this time I'll be much better. I'm good. I will straw. Okay. Double. Double. Turn up, turn. Ano? Thank you, the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. You've been on live for a while. I seen you earlier with another Philippines woman. Ah, yeah. She's my college. Her name is Maricar.
Bakit mo nandito? I-scan. I-scan. Di ka makatulog lang.
Na-scan. Na-scan ka? Jadi ho, yan. Mayroon kasi dito. Jadi ho.
I-open ko ang white.
Dari mo nito.
Sige mo pa nito. Ito mo.
Ang wala sila scan. Kanina na yung tiyo ko. Yadi ang nawaraan.
Oo, yadi.
Yadi lang. Siya. So, tapos, yadi ang nawaraan. Dapat doon ka makonek.
Ano ko yun? Ano na okay? Ano na okay? Dira mo ito. Didi ka, wala siya irog sa diho doon. Di mo yun hinahanap, Didi. Bimbus. Diri, inabimbus ka dito. Diri ko mo yan, diri ko.
Dapat may irog siya sa day.
Yada ho.
Para makakonect.
Ay, wala siya. Diri nakakonect. Ay, yada ho. Irog sa doon. Hanapon mo. Nakakonect mo yun doon. Hanapon mo sa doon ang QR code niya. Kay i-scan ka. Diri. Ay,
May passwording.
Thumbs up done, Greg. Thank you, Greg. I'm waiting for you. Charot.
Ayun.
ayun.
Scan mo lang. Sige lang. Ay. Ito siya. Baka kasi malabo. Dito daw ang basta irog ko lang sa day. Kay Manny.
Thank you for the thumbs up done. Thank you so much for thumbs up. Thank you po. Thank you, Greg. What do you mean? How are you doing, Cheryl? I'm doing fine and I'm doing beautiful. Charot. The dog. The dog. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll feel much better. I'm doing fine. Okay, that's good. That's great. That's great. That's amazing. Ala, yung live ko pala, almost 1 hour na pala. Ang bilis. Time pass. Time pass pala. This time I love you much better. Da, 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 da. This time I know I'm late. Late here? What are you doing? You have a work now. Oh, what's time is there now? Morning. Maybe this time. Morning 11 a.m. there. 6 a.m. 7. It's 7 it's 7 a.m. Okay. Your friend, she went to sleep her life. Sure, she in bed. She, ma'am, says cayenne pepper? Cayenne pepper, cayenne? Try. Maybe she's tired, still sleeping. She'll work. Once again, si Kayang paper. Naguran! It's raining again. Yeah, it's raining again. It's raining again. I wanna pray to face like a standing rock out. Go yes. Yeah, she's tired. She all the way under the blanket. Okay. Yeah, she's tired. She all the way under the blanket.
Sabi yung kurang dito.
Oh, kaya nga eh. Grabe naman. Are you laughing, Greg? You laugh. You happy? It's so funny. This time I'll hold you forever. She's sleeping, lol. Okay, on paper. Okay, on paper. She's sleeping. Sleeping on live. That's the reason I can sleep streaming. Sleep streaming. Maybe she's tired. She have a work. She's working in US. She need to She need to boost watch hour. Campus What's wrong with It's peaceful tonight, no kids. Yes, because raining, raining outside. Peaceful night, calm night, relaxing night with rain. It's peaceful tonight, no kids. Having a peace of mind. I wanna know. It's okay. All right. Alright. Because spoke tonight. That's good, Cheryl. Yes, that's good. Good tonight. Good night. You. Hi to the 2 million. Where other? Walang naligaw. Naka-live ang Nasa ibang ang iba. Nasa ibang mundo yung iba. Nasa ibang planeta. Busy sa ibang planeta. It's okay, alright. Mexico. I had fun earlier on your live stream. You have fun? Because with my friends? Why, I don't know. She wants to talk someone. She feel broken. Broke up. Watching you work. Watching I'm working. Watching I'm still working. Not yet finished. Not yet finished. Mawak. Aray. It's better to This time I feel much better. Finish on Monday, Cheryl. Yes, need to finish. But tomorrow I need to work again and again. Just wait, Greg. I need to buy coffee. Coffee. Wait. Bye. Take your time. The store closed. Nah. Wait. The store closed. What's happening?
Bakit nawala?
Money, no money. Not money. Chocolate. Mm. Chubby. The chubby. Ano, try chubby. It's delicious. Charot. Yummy, yummy. The chubby.
Tinawaran mo yung naman.
Candy, no, chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate is good. It's good.
Welcome to my life.
Hi. The chocolates. Chocolate bar. Don't get wet. Buang.
Ano kita karambagan? Hindi na maganda.
So you had to get something sweet and some chips. Yes. So you had to get something sweet and some chips. Yes.
Sipag naman ang sister. Go, go, go!
Kailangan sa watch hour.
Picture na.
Gardos na. Kailangan sa watch hour eh. Wait sa lang. Wait a minute. Kailangan ko magkape.
Sarap jeraw. Ito sarap jeraw. Di. Sino ni? Tira. Tira. Jeraw man. Hindi siya sa ulit.
chocolate is good. Ay, thank you, Greg. I'm back. It's cold now here. I waited for you, Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. You have a lot of hair, lol. Lot of hair. Lot of hair. A lot of hair. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. What do you do on weekends? Tomorrow, Zumba. I have lots of activity tomorrow. Church. Zumba. Zumba. Can I see them? Yes. I will make live tomorrow morning. Zumba. Can I see them? Sometimes the beautiful ano. It's raining. It's raining harder now. No, not raining. Stop raining now here. It looks beautiful there. Really. Really, Greg. Calm, calm night. Quiet night. It's been together. Someone's gonna love me. Looks beautiful. Yeah. are you doing live stream tomorrow? The Zumba? Zumba tomorrow? Yes, yes. I will make live tomorrow. You are the best. You're not the best. Ngayon, summon friends. But I want to go. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg, for supporting. Salamat. My father. What happened?
Ako na, step. Step.
Sige lang. I saw him. Yeah. My father too old na. Old na. Old na. Lolo na lolo. Forgiveness for you. You know that's wrong. And take down. Sometime. Yes, yeah. I saw him. I'm off work. I'm off work today. Ah, okay. You have no work today. Off, day off. Day off today. Sometime. Weekend I'm off sometimes. Same here. Off Saturday, Sunday, day off. Mostly. Most of the time. Bless you. Bless you, sweetheart. Sana all, sweetheart. Parang wrong send I think you wrong dial. Wrong dial. You're wrong dial. Ang sakit. Nako. I'm right. I'm right. You're right, I'm on left. You're left. You're, I'm left. Left side. Your right side and left side. Never, ever, ever. And I was thinking of you. Your son's sleeping. Ano, he's going to sleep now. This is the sound of things makes my heart break. Did you check your watch hours? Yeah, I checked. The every day I check the watch hours. It's really difficult to to complete the goal. To complete the goal. Thank you so much, Greg, for helping me. It helps me a lot. Excuse me, how much? Wait, I did not check this now, but I think it's going it's going. It's really hard to tell. It's really difficult to tell the watch out. But I need thousands more pa. Thousands more pa. Ah. Sound your voice. Maybe 3 hours. 2 months. In 2 months, I try to make a video. Edit. Need to edit. Make viral video to for boast. For boast watch hour. My heart's big. Oh girl, oh, it's you. I'm all about you. I'm all about you. Right. Wait. I would watch your videos. Thank you so much, Greg. Salamat. It helps me a lot. There are too much good friends of me. Sana all my friends, supportive friends. Um, Thank you so much. I'm all about you. I'm all about us. You don't know me with I'm thinking about. Sip pa ka. It will rain na. It will rain. Raining here now. It's raining my It's raining. Kiss my hand. You are so pretty, Cheryl. Thank you. Hi, so much. Salamat. Kuminto yung ulan. Nang huminto yung ulan. Thank you, Greg. Till the end. Till the end of time. Lul. Diba? Almost 2 hours. Till the end of time. my goodness. What are you doing now, Greg? Smile is gorgeous. Really? Charot. That's not my smile. Char. My happy girl. See, tawa ka dyan. Ulam. It's raining now. What are you doing, Greg? Why raining? Make my heart beat. Hold on, I'm going to get some tubig. Okay. Take your time. Even you get the beer, the wine, the liquor, anything. Take your time. It's up to you. Charot. Ayan ba? Charotesem. Ben? Where from, your friends wants to meet my friends, Maricar. Where he from? Okay. Ang hirap ang hirap ba yun? Mag-English na hirapan ako. It's really difficult to speak English. I'm back, Cheryl. Welcome back. Nasaan na yung iba? Busy? Because, weekend now. Weekend, busy. The people is busy. I didn't wear last night. No, hubog. No hubog. I want to feel hubog na. I miss to feel hubog. I miss to feel hubog na. I'm all about you. Ay. Hello din. We get hubog together. I am both. We get hubog together. The, ano, okay, alright. Okay, alright. When you come here in Philippines, maybe if you come here, you meet many, Filipina, beautiful Bicolana. You will get, girlfriend here. Yeah, you will meet. I mean, you will meet. You will meet. You will see. You will look. you will, you will feel the love tonight. But, hopefully this year I will come get you uh, in Bicol. Hopefully. Why hopefully? Okay, hopefully. Sorry, Lutang. Loading. I know that you want for me. Then I say I feel. But you can't take me. Don't ever see so life's company. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Waiting on that. Thank you for the 3 million in the house. The 3 million. Thank you so much. I will eat balut too, so I won't have, ano? I will eat balut so I won't have lobat. Lol. Sabay lol. Dol. I'm just kidding. Maganda siya. Just kidding. Maganda. Hulog-hulog. When you came here, maybe you bring the SUV. Hello. My gosh. Ang kulit. Wait lang. I'm just kidding. Do you wanna play that fast song?
Sige, isarado ko na lang yun ha. Hindi lang ako kaya. Nagurang pa no? Ako na ang nasara.
Paparang mo na yan ilo sa luwas? Sige. Salamat kay madulong. I'm going to bring me and chocolate. Bring me? I'm going to bring Ah, you bring pasalubong chocolate. You bring pasalubong chocolate. The I like chocolate Toblerone. I like Toblerone. Toblerone. Hello. I like Toblerone. Beautiful baby. Kanino kaya yun? Ang ganda. I like Toblerone. Kisses. Cadbury. Ano ba yan? Hershey's. The chocolate. Mahal. Mahal. Expensive chocolates. What is your favorite? My favorite monkey, Annabelle. Charot. Joke. My favorite foods, chocolates. My favorite chocolate Kisses and Hershey's. Yummy. Toblerone. Hershey's Kisses. Hershey's Kisses. Cadbury. Chocolate. Toblerone. Dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate. You bring pasalubong. Oo. Hershey's is my favorite. This is it's yummy. Hershey's. Hershey. I hope and I pray. I remember when my cousin going back here and in Philippines, she gave me chocolate, Toblerone, Hershey's, Cadbury, and so yummy. Hershey's with almond is yummy, yes, with almond. Red almond, so ay, sana may chocolate. Chocolate here very expensive, and not very expensive. Ay, chocolate. I want ko a chocolate na. Cadbury is good here around Easter time. Yes, Easter time. The Cadbury. The Cadbury. I wish I could give you chocolate every day. Oh, can you please give me chocolate every day? Sana all, no? Someone wishing give me chocolate every day. First time, say someone this. Know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. sit down to your knees. It's a mess of real love's company. So that I'm throwing every day. I know that you're away from me. Can you wish you never made anything I did? I need that. Mhm. What time? Almost 2 hours na may live na. Thank you sa mga bumisita. Salamat. Is your phone on the charger? Times. Uh, full charge. Before I make live, ano, full charge. Thank you for the 3 million in my house. 3 million. Thank you guys. Salamat po. You are getting famous already. You are getting famous. Sana all. If one day I will get, I will be famous. I will never forget you. Someone help me, ano, natural. Very natural. Not turning back. Thank you so much, Craig. I will say you will owe me 250 pesos, lol. Huh? You will owe me? What owe? What does mean? Oh, pay you? I will pay you? What? You will owe it me? What do you mean? Ay, ganon. I have no money. Sorry. Can utang muna. Credit first. When I when I earn much money, I will pay you. I will give you more than 250 pesos. More than that. For now. Okay, 50 pesos salary. Can't afford. Still can't afford. No. Uh, poor. Poor people. Kawawang nila lang. For free? Okay. For free? Disappointed? You feel disappointed? Oh, sorry naman. What happened? You feel sad? Don't worry if I will be rich, I will pay you. Yes. Not now. I'm not yet rich. I'm still poor now. Sorry naman. I'm kidding. I don't want nothing. Why? Just say something about you. I'm feeling. Wait lang. Wait lang. Just wait. What's your favorite song? My favorite song? Oh, nag-isipin. Secret. Well, I remember my past relationship before. Our favorite song, uh, Forevermore. I just can't believe that you are my love. You're just a dream that I once knew. And I thought I would feel like you. I just can't compare you with anything. That's my before. I did this song for But now, my favorite song, kalimutan mo na yan, sige-sige maglibang. No, no, Sing it, Cheryl. I already sing it na. The Forevermore. Walang forever. No forevermore now. Walang forever. Sana all. Better.
Binigay ko lahat, pero ba't di sapat? Ang puso ko ay nilimot mo. At kung hindi man dumating sa tamang panahon na akalain na di maibig, sana di ako magdaramdam sa sakit.
What are you doing tonight? Just watch TV later. Nothing. No, I'm not watching TV. My 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 parents watching TV with different ano likes. The TV the TV channel on TV. I will make TikTok maybe. TikTok going to bed only. Going to bed. Pap, 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 pap.
And I thought I would be right here.
I don't have TikTok app. Okay. I have TikTok app. Maybe I will download it just for you. Wow.
Time is forever. Once more. And I thought I would be right here. I still compare you well. Anything is fine.
Thank you, Greg. Salamat sa support. Thank you for the support. The cat. Let's dance. Let's dance. I remember before I have a lover. We go everywhere. TikTok, the Facebook, YouTube before. But now The happy first. I will end the live in few minutes. I feel cold here outside na. You have a new one. I have a new one. What new one? I have a new one. Huh? Me? You? What? I hope praise in your heart you'll always stay. Not you, me. Huh? Me? What? It's not you, it's ang gulo. Ang kulit. It's not you, it's me. Not you, me. I am but kung may babalik ko lang ang dating ikot na pero ang gusto ko ako'y lagi ng piling mo kung may babalik ko lang ang dating ikot na it's not you, it's me. Ouch. Sakay ko hanggang sa piling mo may babalik ko lang the beautiful road and work dust. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Why I leave you? What happened? Wrong dial again. The wrong dial. I'm talking to you. Okay. You're talking to me. Okay. Oh, you're talking to me. What the no? What the fence? What the fuck? What? Yeah. The beautiful life. You know the beautiful life is my favorite song. What the fudge? What the fudge? Beautiful life. I favorite the goblin.
beautiful life. In the sky, even though beautiful night, beautiful day. I can watch the goblin with you. But I already know. I don't bumigay ka lang kahit ikagawin. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na minahal ka ng iba? Kapala na baliw ko sa'yo. You know what, ano? Hanggang kailan ako matitiis? So bakit nga mahal kita? The song, that's the song. Bakit nga ba mahal nga? The title of the song is Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit nga ganon. Mahal ka ng iba. Ano ba yan? Ang OA ng kanta, no? Pero gustong gusto ko. I know that one. I know that one. I know that one. I'll my heart. Thank you for the heart. Sino nag-heart? Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Thank you for the happiness. This time you're much better. I will end the live. I'm going inside na. Inside home na. Bye-bye.
Okay, Cheryl, I will see you later. Okay, bye-bye. I will make live tomorrow, Somba. And bye. Good night to me. Good day to you. Ano ba yan?